Good morning, buddy. Good morning, guys. Oh, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video today. As you can see, we just hopped in a 4Runner. My buddy Sammy just picked me up because we have an exciting day. We're heading over to the shop because the Whipple is here. So we're gonna pick up the Whipple. Doesn't fit in the Challenger, doesn't fit in the Mustang. Apparently it's 2 big boxes. So shout out to Sammy for coming through. And the dope 4Runner. Ooh, I'm so excited. Exciting times for the channel. So drop a fat like because it's happening, boys. 900 horsepower, we're coming for you. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the shop. It's all the way at the end, Sammy up. Man, I'm kind of nervous, dude. This is like a big, monumental day today, man.
Bro, you're going double HP, dog.
Double HP. Here we are.
What's going on?
How's it going, man? How are you?
Yeah, you got a truck.
Yeah, I had to. I didn't have a choice.
Sweet.
Should we pull it to the back?
Yeah, let's just let me get grab that.
What's up? Sign right here.
Doesn't matter.
Alright.
You're good to go.
Alrighty guys, the done deal. The pickup. Alright guys, we're pulling over to the back. Here we go. Let's go load this bad boy. I want to see how heavy it is. What that's running, I think. You want to put this side to the side?
Yeah. That'll work like that.
There we go. Have fun.
Small boxes.
Alright guys, thank you. Alright Shaq, we're gonna go ahead and drop this off. Thanks for cruising out, dude.
Yeah.
Woo! 2 huge boxes. Thank God for Sammy, dude. I would have been struggling out here. So that's it, guys. Whipple has been secured. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and unbox the Whipple. This is a stage 2 kit from Whipple for my 2019 Mustang GT. It comes in 2 boxes. There's a heavy box and a lighter box. I'm guessing the heavy box has a supercharger in it, and the lighter box probably has all the accessories and stuff like that for the kit. So such as the fuel pump, intake, plumbing, I guess all the hoses and stuff like that, and maybe some you know, the belts and whatnot are all going to be in the second box. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the more exciting one, which is the main box, the big one, that has the Whipple inside. I'm going to take a look and see. I don't want to pull everything out too much because I don't want to mess with anything until we get it over to the shop, but I really did want to unbox it because I get pretty excited about unboxing videos, and I'm sure there's a lot of you guys that do too. So I'm going to throw the big box down on the ground right here, and we'll go ahead and do unboxing. Here we go. The moment of truth. We got the official Whipple packaging here. Cut it from this side as well. Oh man. First this comes up. No idea how to get this open, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh my God. Look at that beauty. Here it is. Oh my God, this thing looks so nice. Seeing it up close for the first time. There it is. Wow. Now I'm super excited just seeing it. It's definitely a unit. It's pretty big. It's my hand next to it. It's super cold too because it's all metal. But yeah, so I'm not gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. I'm gonna leave it in there. But at least we got to kind of take a look and see what it looks like. So this is the first box, the big one. And this is what the Whipple looks like in there. Whipple Supercharged written on it. It's all metal and it's definitely heavy. As you can see, that's where it bolts up to the motor. So that's the first box, and that's what it contains. So I guess there's nothing else in this box except the Whipple. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all back together and put it aside, and let's go ahead and open the next box. Side here. There we go. And yep, so there is our intake right here. Everything's kind of wedged in. I guess they kind of package it really well. All right, well, I'm not gonna take the tubing out because it's definitely stuck in there. But we got some hoses, air filter right there. More parts of the intake. So this is a closed air box, closed intake. This thing goes together like so. There's more pieces. Let's see what else is in here. It's quite a bit of stuff. Another hose. More hoses as well. There's a lot of hoses that come with this kit. Got a box right here. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see what this is. This might be the throttle body. Not sure what this is. More hoses. New spark plugs. Some other types of hoses. There's just a lot of hoses. This seems like a IAT sensor kit. And there. I think this mounts up to the intake. Also, this goes on to the Whipple itself. An opening. A smaller box in here. Let's see what this one has inside. There is the pulley. It's a 3.875 pulley that comes standard on the kit. And it has Whipple Superchager on the other side of it. Pretty sweet. And I'm guessing the belt is probably down there as well. Here are the injectors that come with the kit. Not sure if we'll end up using these because I do want to switch out the injectors, but there are injectors with this kit. There's 8 of them in here, obviously, because it's a V8. Let's see what's up next. It's so cool. There's all these boxes, so it makes it fun unboxing all of it. Okay, so this is the flash tool. So they send you a tool to flash the tune that you need onto it. Here it is. It's a Tomahawk V1 flash tool. I think it comes with an SD card in here. Yep, 16 gig SD card. Probably it has the Whipple tune on it. So I'll put that back in there. Close it up. And this is what connects it to the car, just a cable. Cool. Grab what's up next. So this is Dutch Works. So I'm guessing this is the fuel pump. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Yep. So here's our upgraded fuel pump. You're gonna need more fuel with this kit. So it's got a little sleeve for the bottom of it. Cool. Moving on. Oh, this is something heavy in here. Oh, let's see what's in here. Okay, so here we have our belt. Very cool. There's a bunch of other stuff in here. Some plates. So I'm guessing this is the kit to the belt and all that stuff for the system. There's some, looks like pulleys right there. Not pulleys, but maybe, yeah, just mounting hardware is all in here. Yeah, there's a bunch of pulleys in here. That's all the pulleys to get the system going. Move those aside. I'm not going to show you all the pulleys. That might kind of get boring. There's a heavy box right here. Let's see what this one has inside of it. Okay, so there it is. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe some of you guys will know. Put it back inside the box. Oh. This stuff is heavy, guys. Don't let it fool you. This might be the throttle body. Yep, it is. Check out this beauty. Here it is. Woo, this thing is gorgeous. So there it is. It's got the Whipple on it as well, as you can see there. Nice looking thing. This is in here. Let's see, there's a big one right there, and there's one right here, so I'm guessing this is the intercooler. Yep. There it is. Intercooler, radiator. I'm not sure. There might be fans in here, if I'm guessing correctly. Oh no. Very nice. Okay. So they send you these decals. Pretty sick. Whipple Supercharged to put on the car. There's two of them for either side, I guess. Not sure I'll put them on because I want to be kind of sleeper, but it's cool. And then you have this license plate frame. Let's see what this has inside. So I'm guessing this is all the instructions. Yep, and then some more Whipple Supercharger stickers. But here it is, the installation. So we're not going to be doing this since the shop is doing it for me. Would hate to mess up my car, mess up the install of such an expensive kit. There's a big one right here, not too heavy. Let's see what's in here. Okay, some type of tank. I guess coolant lines and all that are in here. Some oil, bolting hardware for the tank, as well as a lot more hardware for all the other stuff. Man, there's so much stuff in this kit. It's definitely a lot of stuff in here. Wiring harness. So let's go ahead and put all that back in here. All right. Very last thing is in here. Okay, and these look like they are the fuel rails. Beautiful looking fuel rails right there, and mounting hardware. So I'm pretty sure that is it. That is the full unboxing of the Whipple kit. Alrighty guys, so you've seen it there. There it is, the unboxing of my new Stage 2 Whipple kit for my 2019 Mustang GT. As you saw there, it's quite a bit of stuff, a lot of different boxes in here. It was definitely very fun unboxing it. It feels like you're getting like a ton of presents because you don't know what's in each one of these boxes, but definitely very stoked. It's doesn't look like an easy install, I'll tell you that. Just from the instruction manual, it's like 100 pages. So I'm super glad to have the guys over at Voodoo take care of this install because they have done Shaq's car. They did an amazing job. They're awesome guys and they're very knowledgeable about Mustangs. So I feel like I'm in very good hands. And this is not something that I wanted to attempt myself because first of all, I don't have the right tools, and at the same time, I just don't want to be messing with such an expensive kit on an expensive car. I don't want to take that risk. But I know there's a lot of you guys that are very handy out there and are willing to take this install and breeze through it. But for me, I just wasn't very comfortable, so I just let it up to the professionals to help take care of it. But hopefully I'll be able to document the whole thing for you guys and show you how the install goes and how much time it needs and all that stuff. So stay tuned for the videos that are coming up. If you did enjoy today's video, enjoyed the unboxing, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. The build is just getting started, and it's definitely going to be a fun one. So yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video. Rush Shift signing out. Peace.